everybody? Okay, let's continue our English class, right? 1, 2, 3. Hello teacher, how are you? How are you? Very fine, thank you, very fine, thank you. How about you? How about you guys? Okay, we're going to identify some vocabulary. We're going to do this for the topic nature. We are going to see some animals. We're going to sing along and repeat after me. Are you ready? Yeah, me too. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. The rabbits hop. The rabbits hops. This is a ladybug. This is a ladybug. The ladybugs fly. This is a caterpillar. This is a caterpillar. The caterpillar scrolls. This is a dog. This is a dog. The dogs clock. The dogs clock. Quack, quack, quack. This is a spider. This is a spider. The spiders knit. The spiders knit. This is a chicken. This is a chicken. And the chickens say and finally, this is a worm. This is a worm. Like really worm. Do you remember? Yeah. The worms crawling. The worms crawling. Excellent. Click on the corners. Now, it's time to make our activity. We are going to see this picture about the nature. This is spring nature. As you can see, we can find out many elements that you can find out here at school. Many flowers, the big shiny sun, big trees, green grass and big flowers, and a big and beautiful butterfly. We're going to color decorate as this. And also you can add to your English notebook or maybe you can paste on your house. Take a picture of it, right? Excellent, my friends. Goodbye. Goodbye. English class, it's over. Goodbye. It's time to say goodbye.